take you to make your first 10K?
I would say maybe 2 years. Because like for me, the situation I ran into was when you're trying to learn a new skill set, it's like a learning curve, right? And people don't realize it's like compound interest. And at the very beginning, it's like slow, and then it really starts to gain momentum. And so you know the saying where it's like there's a guy who said your first million is a pain, but then the second is inevitable, right? It's the same thing because of that compound effect of skill sets. Now that I know how the game works, it's easier to play the game. But when I started, I didn't know anything, so it's so hard, and like you don't even know where to start, right? So it took at least 2 years. It's hard to remember. Someone asked me before, they're like, when did you make your first 6 figures, your million? I literally don't know. Like, because when you're in that zone, when you're succeeding, you're so like head down, focused on the work, you're not checking your bank account because you don't have time. And so eventually you take a step back and you're like, holy crap, I have so much money. You don't think about it because you're so busy working. That's why the money comes in, you know? So yeah, I mean, it's about that learning curve. Once you get past that learning curve, it's game over, you know?